it's Steve here, Bradley Plumbing, Heating and Gas Services. Hope you well. Just want to show you the job we've completed this week. So we've came in for this customer and we've replaced an old vented hot water cylinder and an old Valent tank fed boiler that was downstairs, and replaced it with a centre store 210 litre unvented cylinder which gives mains pressure to the hot water now, and a 32 kilowatt Ideal Max Vogue Max system 32 kilowatt system boiler, which gives a great deal of heat for the heating circuit and suits the cylinder well. The issue we had here was that the customers couldn't have hot water on the top floor, so this is a 5-bed property and they wanted to put bathrooms into the top floor. So with it being a vented cylinder, gravity and the science of plumbing wouldn't let the hot water reach to the top floor. So one of the main reasons for this was to change it over to a vented mains pressure cylinder, which allows hot water to reach up to the top floors, still at mains pressure. So this is the job we've done. We've put in the Ideal Vogue Max System 32, this with a 10-year warranty with the Ideal filter, and all the pipe work that we've changed here, obviously moving the boiler from downstairs up to here, so everything's within this compartment in what's going to be a bathroom in the property. We've got the heating and the hot water zone valves, and we've got a Nest control system on the system now. So this will control the heating. It's the Nest learning thermostat, and it also controls the hot water cylinder as well. So a lovely bit of kit, they're very good, and you can use it outside of your home. You can control your heating while you're out. If you want to change your schedule, you can do that. They're very good. We fit quite a few of these. So this is the job we've done. You can see we've got the hot water out, the heating flow and return, all the control for the cold water, the zone valves and everything in one place. And we've taken up heating, hot and cold water to the third floor of the property, and also repiped the hot and cold system into the current bathroom as well. So this has been the job we've done this week, and customers are pleased, we're pleased how it's turned out, and thanks for joining us. Steve at Bradley Plumbing. Take care. Thank you.